So today gonna do oil change on the '06 Tundra, some spark plugs, oil filter, and air filter. So let's get into it. Start off with that Mobile One. That's all I use. I didn't have an OEM Toyota filter. I think I'm just gonna go and stock up on some for my 4Runner and my Tundra. So I always have them. And a MicroGuard air filter. Let's change this out first. So here's the air box. I have these 4 clips. And this one. Take off the 4 clips. And the air box can come off. Just like that. Super dirty. And you just grab the new one. Here's the part number. Dirty in here, so I'm gonna vacuum that out first before I put the new one in. Also, I got a rigid wet and dry vac. Something good to have in your garage. So, I'll use that. Vacuum out this air box. Got it vacuumed out. It's all like hard, that stuff. So now I'll put in the new one. Got the new one in. Make sure you latch all 4 sides. So I'm gonna do my spark plugs now. Got 10 millimeters. Push this clip down and pull it out. Take these off. I got my spark plugs. These are the same ones that are in there right now. So that's the reason why I'm using them. I'm gonna finally use this 3/8 Icon flex head. 10-inch ratchet. Never used it before. You've seen in my other video, I just had bought it. So I'm gonna start using it and see if it lasts. Probably will. So 10mm Husky. Let's get to it. this one out. Now get the new one, grease this up a little bit, the threads, and put it back in. There's a new one in, and now we got 7 more. We do the same with the other side and the other 7. Don't over tighten your spark plugs. And yep. So I got this side done. This side is easy because there's like nothing in the way here. Easy access. Come to this side. You got a couple hoses and stuff, but you still can get to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side now, and then I'll drop the skid plate underneath and start draining the oil. All right, I just finished up this side. It was easy. Just this one. I have to go a shorter extension with one of those joints that can swivel adapters, because it was banging on this. So I had brought it down lower, and yep, got it in. So now it's time for the skid plate and drain the oil. All right, got some drain plug gaskets from Toyota. So let's get to it. After doing the spark plugs, yeah, I kind of liking this flex head, but I feel like this flex head's gonna get loose and wear out. But only time will tell. So I'm gonna use this. Got my 14mm Husky. Throw that on there, and let's go underneath. Let's drain her. So while that's draining, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking off the skid plate. skid plate off, and now we got access to the oil filter. Now we twist this off. So I got the new one. I'm gonna put some oil. On the new filter, just like that. I'm gonna put it back up and make sure there's no old gasket sitting on there. I'm gonna clean that up and screw on the new filter. I still can't find my other funnel, so you can use the top of the washer fluid gallon. Just wash it out and dry it out, and it screws right on top. It screws in. And it stays. Time to fill her up. I'm gonna get every drop out. I'll put 6.5 quarts in here, maybe a little more than a half. And then we're gonna run it, come underneath, make sure nothing's leaking there with a drain plug. And when you're done with your old oil, you put it back in your containers. I have a couple small ones, and dispose it properly. Just bring it back to your O'Reilly's or Advance Auto, your auto, what do you call that? Your auto parts stores, and they'll take the oil. Always dispose it properly. Got the skid plate on, nothing is leaking underneath. I had checked the oil level, the level looks good here, and wiped all this area down just to clean it up. And now I'm gonna start it and let it run for like a minute and then recheck my oil. So that was that, just quick little maintenance. It needed to be done, so got that out the way, and we'll see what's next on the Tundra. So thanks for watching. And what I think about the Icon ratchet, it's decent. It's only the first time using it. I really like the flex head. I'll try and do more jobs with it and just try and make that my main one, and we'll see if it holds up. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe if y'all want, and we out.